Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Alright, so let's go right now and let's check with the image search feature of Spocket. So let's click on image search, right? So you can see that it's very easy to actually use Spocket, and you can just drop an image over here. I just happen to have an image of a hair dryer, so I'm gonna add the image. So I'm gonna upload it from my computer. I'm gonna go over here. It says hair dryer, or it's in the bureau. So I'm gonna go to the bureau right now. And I'm going to search for hair dryer. I already happen to have an image of a product over here, right? So the image couldn't be added. Let's see the reason why, right? So here, search by image, right? Hair dryer. Let's see the reason why it was not accepted. So PNG, GPG, all right? So up to 100 kilobytes, up to 100 kilobytes. Well, normally it should display, right? So, or if it doesn't work, we can just go and get another image, no problem. So, all right, so the image was, all right, file is too big. Okay, so it should be no more than 100 kilobytes, no problem. So we're gonna take that same image and we're going to make it smaller. So I'm gonna go here. So another skill that you can learn over here is how to make an image smaller. So I'm gonna go and open the image, very simply like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna go to Paint and just make it smaller. Right? So open this image with Paint, and you can make the image smaller. And let's see if this is going to minify the size of the image. Or also you can use software, right? So you can see the size of the image right now, what it is, and we can remove probably this chunk here that we don't need. Or maybe we can remove this thing here that we don't need. So we'll remove stuff that we don't need from the image. Right, so let's remove this. You can see here. And let's just make the image a little bit here on the side. Let's just put it here. And let's just redimension the image in pixels. Right, let's just leave it at that. Let's see right now what size. All right, so the size is now 200. So I'm thinking of going to Canva right now and making it transparent and see what size it's going to have. So let's go to Canva. So right now, as we're doing this, you can see that there is a slight inconvenience with the software Spocket, which is the image feature. I'm going to go here to 500 pixels by 500 pixels. I'm going to upload my image that I have for the hairdryer. I'm just going to remove the background from it. And normally it should do the job. So I'm going to click Upload Files. And I'm going to go here to the bureau. I'm going to search for hair dryer. There you go. So I have the hair dryer image. And I can just click on the hair dryer image and just make it a little bigger. Just a little bit. And remove the background from it. Right, so I can click the image, edit image, remove the background, and wait for it. Okay, so right now the background was successfully removed from the image. I can click on download and let's see the size of the image right now. So let's compress the file as well to compress the quality and reduce the number of kilobytes. And normally this should work. So if I were to open the same image using Paint, normally I should be able to see. All right, so you can either see it with the parameters or open it up with Paint, and you can see it at the bottom of Paint. You can see this. So if I open this with Paint, you can see it's now 47.3 kilo octets. So now it should work. So I'm going to go back to Spocket, and then I'm going to upload the file. Normally now it should work, just normally. And right now, so let's go and upload our image, right? So here's the image, and it works. So right now it's running a search for the product, and you can see that it spotted, not surprisingly, but it spotted the hair dryers, and pretty much it spotted similar hair dryers to that one. And you can actually upload them to your store just by clicking this. And so if you were to want to import this product, you can import it. So this is how you find products to import using image. And so right now, let's go to the last part, which is the winning products in the next lecture. See you there.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.